Unidentified arsonists targeted the Malayalam Catholic Church named St. George Church of Ujire under the Belthangadi Diocese in the wee hours of Wednesday, September 17th, presumably between 3 and 4 am. They broke open the locks of the front door before gaining entry into the church hall, it is said. The incident came to light when the parish priest Father Mani, along with sisters of the Franciscan Clarists, came to the church at about 5:45 am. It was found that the hooligans had desecrated the sacrament of the church and thrown it into the road. They had heaped together books found in the church along with the Bible on the altar and set them on fire after soaking them with kerosene. The crucifix was also damaged by them. Luckily, the fire did not spread to the other places of the hall, which would have been disastrous, informed Father Joseph from Bishop's House, Belthangadi.
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಉರಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 4:15ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನೆರೆಮನೆಯವರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಚರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತ. ನಾನಿಂದ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ 5:30ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಗ ಮುರಿದು ಕೆಳಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದರು ಏನಂತ, ನೀವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಚರ್ಚನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಓಪನ್ ಉಂಟು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಬೀಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉರಿತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೊಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ನೋಡುವಾಗ ವಚನ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲುಬೆಯನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಹೋಳಿ ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿಟ್ಟು ಸೀಮೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಉರಿತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೊಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸೀಮೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಲ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀಮೆಣ್ಣೆ ಸುರಿದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The police were immediately informed and Sub-Inspector Rane visited the spot. Belthangadi Tehsil that Chandramma too came on church and inspected the damage done. Hordes of devotees came to the church after getting the news. The priest asked the people to maintain peace and not to take law into their hands. The unexpected turn of events had shaken the devotees of Ujire and surrounding places. If the police first had acted unconstitutionally while controlling the situation, it will have to pay penalty in the coming days. The minority community, which is the victim of incidents of attacks on churches, need not have to worry of their safety in this district. If necessary, the Constitution will interfere to rescue the victims. Exercising restraint is the need of the hour, said MP Prakash, former Deputy Chief Minister of the state, who is heading the Congress fact-finding committee that visited the city. Addressing the media persons on Thursday, September 18th, he said that the miscreants have broken crosses and statues of Mother Mary in many churches. Christian community has been attacked here for the first time. Disturbing communal harmony was the basic purpose behind these acts. The BJP has resorted to this strategy even in the past, just before the elections all over India, he alleged. The Congress is not demanding the resignation of the Home Minister, Dr. V.S. Acharya, but the state government should fulfill its responsibilities without any bias. Meanwhile, the government has not arrested any leader belonging to Bajrang Dal, while innocents have been rounded up. The government has used its influence in several cases. Therefore, CBI inquiry should be ordered into the incidents, he urged.
ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಭಾವವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಈ ತನಿಖೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ದಾರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಸುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಈಗ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತವಾದ ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ತನಿಖೆ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಹತ್ವ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುವ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಘನತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟರಿಂದಲೇ ನಾವು ಇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿಯೇ CBI ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಈ ಸತ್ಯಶೋಧನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿ ತಪ್ಪಿತಸ್ಥರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆ.
The fact-finding report will be submitted to the KPCC Chairman Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, the Prime Minister, Union Home Minister and the State Chief Minister, he informed. Former Ministers D.B. Chandregowda, Sagir Ahmed, MLA K.G. George and local leader Ravi Shankar Shetty were present at the press meet.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
In the wake of the attack on Christian churches and prayer centers across Dakshina Kannada, meetings of the Peace Committee will be convened once in 2 months, announced Dr. V.S. Acharya, State Home Minister, at a press conference held at Deputy Commissioner's office on Wednesday, September 17th. The minister warned those involved in conversions to stop such activities at once or to be prepared to face strict action. Earlier, Donald Menage's senior pastor, New Life Society, had denied that his religious group was involved in distributing brochures abusing other religions. Dr. Ismail, principal of Badriya College, accused the district administration, including the police, that they were asleep when such attacks occurred in the city. He said that peace and tranquility in the region had been shattered because of this. He also urged the media to stop exaggerating matters and suggested that they should be issued a set of guidelines to adhere when the reporting. The Francis Serrava, rector of St. Aloysius Institutions, urged the state administration to conduct a judicial inquiry about the incident. Congress leader Suresh Ballal emphasized the fact that if Christians could be accused of involvement in conversions, so should be ISKCON. VHP leader M.B. Puranik retorted that it's not possible for the police to restrain all attacks at all times. One should respect the religious sentiments of others, he added. Maheshwar Rao, the DC, District In Charge Minister Krishna Palema, Western Range IGP M. Prasad, ADGP Infant City Mayor Ganesh Hosabettu, and Zilla Panchayat President Sucharita Shetty were also present during the peace meet.